Hey YouTube, Garage Boys here, back at it again. On today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to fix your door open message on your F-150. It's a common issue with these trucks where you have this notification on your door, on your dash, that tells you that the door is open and your doors are closed. My issue, it's actually a little greater because I have the power running boards, and when the doors open, the running boards are open, and I can't close them. Even though the door's closed, it's still telling the car thinks the door's open, so the running boards are down. You can manually close them, but I really need the running boards, so it's just a hassle. My problem is the rear door based on my notification, and this is a common issue on these trucks. Your problem is actually right here, your cables. Through time, over time, the cables will crack and bend and actually even separate. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. It's very easy. It is a short video. It's about 7 minutes or so. I don't think it's going to make it to 10. But this is your main problem. It's a huge headache. And let's get straight to it. The first thing you're going to do is just removing this cover, which I already played with it for a little bit. But you just pull this back like this. And then you can just pull it back more. And that will release some space here. Now we're going to remove this little plate from the door, but let me show you how to do that. But that's it. Just do this first and let me show you what to do next. So here you guys go. Okay guys, so to remove this is very easy. There's little clips right here, so I'm using this curved pick, and you just press this in, and then on this side as well, you just bring it in here. See this little clip you bring in, and then this whole thing comes out very easy. And then the cable from the inside is one of those push and pull. You press the button and it pulls out. Very easy. So just go ahead and remove that, and then you can work on this. Okay guys, so this, you unplug it very easily. I already did it, but I just want to show you guys how it goes. So this just goes in here, like, see this button right here? You press that and you pull out, and that's it. That's just how it goes. So just go ahead and remove that, and you can work on this. Okay guys, so now that I took this out and I pushed this back, all the way back, I removed this little cover. I pushed it back, everything's sticky and gooey. First thing I notice, I guess that's my problem right there, huh? Oh my God. Okay, so as you can see, I have two wires that are messy. That one and this one is completely cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and push all this back. I'm gonna cut all this tape and remove this tape, and I'm gonna retape everything and put those two together. That's gonna fix my problem, obviously. But then again, I'm gonna check. But let me go ahead and clean this up, and I guess I'm gonna just use a little shaving knife, one of those Gillettes. I'm gonna kind of cut this open a little bit and give it some more wire, put it together, and get some electric tape and tape everything individually. I'm gonna tape everything individually and then tape everything together. I'm not gonna show you how I do all that because it's messy, but I am gonna show you when I open this up right now. I'm gonna open all this up and get all the cables and have them all open so I can really fix them. So let me do that and I'll show you the outcome. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you really quick. As you can see, it's worse than I thought. It's more than one cable. It's about two cables, and then three of them are about to fully get cut. So I'm gonna cut all of them open. I don't have special tools. I'm just using this and some electric tape for sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and let me show you how it's gonna look afterwards. Okay guys, so as you can see, everything is taped. My awful job of a tape, but I'm gonna go ahead and tape the ones that I taped. I'm gonna tape them together, and then I'm gonna tape the whole thing, and then I'm gonna lower this thing again and put everything back and show you how that fixes your, well, obviously you saw my cable was broken, but this is the issue when your truck says that your door is open. It's really annoying when you have when you have the power running boards, because the running boards stay outside, and it's annoying. Every time you take off, they come back in, so you have to shut them off, and then you need them. It's just a pain. I removed the door panel for something else, but hopefully this video helped you. I'm gonna show you, just stay put. I'm gonna show you in just a second how it fixed my running boards. It's gonna get dark, but I'm gonna show you anyways. So here we go. Okay guys, so I put everything back together, and Man, I'm glad this worked. Let me show you how it works. Oh, sorry. There we go. Beautiful. Jeez. You guys don't know how annoying that was. But yeah, that's your common problem on these trucks. It's actually very, very common. The open door message. And that's your fix. The issue's right here. If by any chance, worst case scenario is in really, really bad shape, you can replace the whole wire harness. Just search online. I'll probably put a link in the description, but you can go to your dealer or search online, rear, or depending on your side of the door, but Ford F-150, your year model, your door, and then say wire harness. Then it's just the whole wire thing. You can just buy the whole new and just put it in there, and that's it. But that's it, guys. It was kind of like an easy fix. It's kind of annoying a little bit, but there you go. Hopefully that helped, and thanks for watching.